Hello dear students, I welcome you all to this offline English class. India, also known as Bharat or Hindustan. Officially, the Republic of India is a country in South Asia. Being a vast country, India has diverse physical features such as mountains, plains, plateaus and deserts. These landforms influence the life of the people living there in different ways. The climate and crops, the customs and traditions, the art and culture, etc. The presence of such diversity in a natural region as well as culture and heritage has made India a popular tourist destination across the world. India is one of the popular tourist destinations in Asia. It has fascinated people from all over the world with her secularism and her culture. Students, in this session, we are going to understand the lesson India Through the Eyes of a Foreigner, written by Mark Tully. Mark Tully, a foreigner, the moment he landed in India, had a lot of pleasant experiences. He was fascinated by India's natural beauty, cultural heritage, historical places, and even people of India. The name of the lesson is India Through the Eyes of a Foreigner, which means a foreigner visited India and observed the beauty of our country. Students will know about Mark Tully. Sir William Mark Tully KBE is the former bureau chief of BBC New Delhi, a position he held for 20 years. He worked with the BBC for a total of 30 years before resigning in July 1994. He was born on October 24, 1935 in Kolkata. The most notable awards are Padma Bhushan, Padma Shri, British Academy Television's Richard Dimbleby Award. His introduction is given in your textbook also. Please open your textbook, students. Page number 65. Did you open your textbook? Mark Tully was born in Kolkata and educated in England. He was correspondent for the BBC in South Asia for 25 years. He now works as a journalist in New Delhi. Mark Tully's books on India, No Full Stops in India, The Heart of India, and Indian in Slow Motion are highly acclaimed. Now please look at pre-reading activity. I am going to read it. Please follow as I read. In this short account of his experiences in India, Mark Tully tells us why he likes India and Indians very much. He gives word pictures of India's natural beauty and the beauty of India's social, religious and cultural activities. There are beautiful descriptions of the ways in which we worship the Almighty. In the end, he says he has been accepted as a part of India. This thought makes him feel good. Here description means a spoken or written account of a person, object or event. Here we can see the experiences of Mark Tully after he visited our country, India. He tells us why he likes India and Indians very much. Mark Tully liked many things in our country. Which are the things he liked? He liked India's natural beauty and the beauty of India's social, religious and cultural activities. He also liked the beautiful descriptions of the ways in which we worship the Almighty. Almighty means God. He liked the different ways of worshipping the God in different religions in India. In the end, he says he has been accepted as a part of India, which means even Indian people accepted him. This thought makes him feel good. So students, in this session we have completed the pre-reading activity of the prose India Through the Eyes of a Foreigner. I will continue the lesson in the next session. Now I am going to end up this session. Bye for now. Thank you. Have a great day.